Scoop Street's over here. I'm gonna take an attempt at making a outdoor skating rink in our backyard. Stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Alright, so this is what we've got. We are 10 feet by 20 feet. So now I'm going to get a tarp and lay that out and pack it in with some snow and start flooding it. So, be right back. Alright, so there's our tarp, 16 by 20. Let's get that thing opened up and get it spread out and we'll start flooding it. Alright, so this is what we have. Flooded it out a bit. As you've seen, I just used some buckets. It's been sitting now for about 3 hours. I'm waiting for it to freeze all the way through before I add some more to it, just because everything I read kind of says to freeze it slowly, otherwise you get really rough, nasty ice. So yeah, it's coming along pretty good. So yeah, pretty happy with that so far.